Hey everyone, and welcome to another Shotcut tutorial. Pause the video to follow along and be sure to ask any questions you may have in the comments.
Thanks for watching my daddy's videos. Please subscribe and click the notification bell.
Today we're going to discuss speeding up and slowing down your videos using Shotcut. We will also discuss affecting the speed of specific portions of your video. First, we're going to drop our video file into the Shotcut playlist, or you could also click Open File and choose your file. We'll drop it in right here. Let your video play for a few seconds and you'll notice it's playing at normal speed. Press the home button to go back to the start of the video. Next, we will drag the video down and drop it on the timeline, which will create a new video track. Press the home button to go back to the start of the video. Switch to the Properties tab, where you will find more information about the file. Located under the comments box, there is a spot that says Speed, which is currently set to 1. If you want to speed the video up, set the speed to something higher than 1. Let's type in 4 and press Enter. This will cause the video file to shorten significantly in the timeline. Press the spacebar and watch the video play. You will notice it is now playing at a much faster speed. You can mess around with the speed settings to see how it affects the file. Let's type in 8 and press Enter. Again, you'll see that it has significantly shortened in the timeline. Let's hit the spacebar to play. Now it's really fast. We can use the same process to slow the video down. Let's type in 0.5 and press Enter. You will notice the video has extended greatly in the timeline to show that it's been stretched out. Hit the spacebar, and you can see that the video has slowed down significantly. By using this speed right here, you can either speed up or slow down your file as you wish. Feel free to play around with the speeds and you'll get a good handle on it. But let's say you want to speed up or slow down specific parts of your video file. This will require us to break the video into pieces. Let's start by setting the time back to 1 and hitting Enter. Go down to the timeline and move the playhead forward to about 10 seconds. Right about there. Now, we're going to press the S key as in Sam on the keyboard. This will cause a break in the video file, and it has now created 2 parts. Move the playhead forward to about, let's say 30 seconds. And if you're wondering, you can look up here at the time, but you can also see it right here. Let's press the S key again. We now have 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Okay? If we select Part 2, and we go up here, you can see that it has its own speed. Let's try setting that speed to 4 and we'll press Enter. And you will notice that this has shrunk because we've sped it up. So what we'll do is take Part 3 and slide it down so it snaps into Part 2. Press the home key, and now let's press the spacebar to watch. You will notice this first part plays at normal speed. Once we hit the second part of the video, it will speed up significantly times 4. Right there. It will then hit Part 3 and go back to normal speed. Great. We can also use this to slow down specific parts as well. Let's move the playhead to about, let's say 25 seconds. Right about there. Yeah, okay, and let's press the S key. Now we have Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4. With Part 4 selected, let's go in and let's type 0.5. So what this has done is slowed down this Part 4 section. Press the home key and press the spacebar. Again, Part 1 will play at normal speed. Once we hit Part 2, it will speed up to times 4. And then when it hits Part 3, it will go back to normal speed. And then once it hit Part 4, we will slow down the video to 0.5 speed. So now you can see that it's slowed down. So by doing this, you can see that we can speed up certain sections, we can slow down certain sections, you can speed up or slow down the entire file if you wish. Pretty simple to do. I would suggest just playing around with it and get used to how it works, and you'll get a feel for it. If you have any questions regarding this technique, just please let me know. Also, I'm working on creating more Shotcut videos and tutorials. Let me know if there was something you would like me to cover. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. Also, if you would like to support the creation of these videos and earn other rewards, please check the description for my Patreon information.
Thank you, and have an amazing day.